Hi everyone, welcome to our tiny video. And the first going to be the first one of two about social studies question and answer helpful hints. So the first thing I want you all to think about is I know sometimes we pose a question to our students and then you get that wonderful silence. So I wanted to share a couple of helpful hints with you to try and get our students more engaged. So I know that a lot of teachers have used popsicle sticks in the past. And the technique is basically you would write the child's name on the popsicle stick and then you would pull out so that we can make sure that we are getting all of the class engaged when we're having a discussion. And you can still use your popsicle sticks. I'm not opposed to them. I'm just going to give you a sort of a fun alternative for this because I know my daughter personally is not a fan of popsicle sticks. But oftentimes you can do the same exact thing, but make it just a little silly. And your students and your kids will latch on to it because all of a sudden it seems fun. So the activity that I'm going to share with you is called Lucky Duckies. And what you would do is basically you assign a number to your students and then maybe have their desk numbered or whatnot. And then you would get 30 or so cheap little rubber duckies. You put a number on the bottom of them, keep them in a nice glass jar, and you can pull out a lucky ducky to have students answer a question. You can also scramble the students for various group activities. So maybe you just pull out 3 or 4 ducks and you go into this group. You might even use the ducks to assign students to various activities and questions. I know you're thinking, are 7th graders really going to be into this? I am stealing this from an 8th grade teacher that I saw doing it, and it was amazing and fun. And sometimes you just need a little rubber duck to make something like classroom engagement seem something like a 7th grader might want to do. So thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Keep calm and love social studies.